Hello guys, welcome back. Today, I am going to show how to customize your mouse cursor on Windows 11. First, go to the settings and click on accessibility. Now click on mouse pointer and touch. And here you can customize your pointer. You can make it bigger and smaller by adjusting this setting. You can also turn it black. Also, you can change it to inverted, and it's changing when it's on the white background or black background. And you can also change color of your pointer like this. If you want to change your mouse pointer, scroll down a little, click on the mouse option, and then click on additional mouse settings pointers. So guys, you can see we have so many options, and you have to upload here your preferred cursor. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope my video helped. Subscribe and like for more content. Have a nice day.